Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I lay down this lace frontal wig. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. Please remember to subscribe and click on that notification bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. If you're seeing this face for the first time, please just join the family. Like, what are you waiting for? Join the family. I really appreciate you all. So welcome back, guys. Today's video, like I said, I'll be showing you guys how to lay down your frontal wig. Be it closure, be it frontal, it's mostly the same thing. So firstly, I'm starting off by braiding her hair. I'm going to be giving her some cornrows. Braid that hair. So guys, from the last video that I posted, so many of you said you wanted to see how I installed my lace frontal wig. I'm still working on that video. We'll definitely post it anytime soon, so be looking out for it. If you're a new subscriber, or if you are new to this channel, you're seeing my face for the first time, please join the family. Click on that subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post my videos. Just tick so you just know whenever I post my videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know what we do here. Thank you so much for always tuning in and supporting your girl. I am so blessed to have you all supporting me. Thank you so much for always supporting me. So after I braid down the hair, I always like going in with my needle and thread to sew it down so it's like secure, you know. And then I'm putting on my wig cap. Firstly, I'm trying to clean off her edges using the, what's it called? Like the, what's that thing? Oh my god, like, you know, the spirit thing, or just so I don't have any I don't have any oil left there, and my got to be glue can actually work better. So that was what I did. I can't remember the name. So I'm gluing that down with my got to be glue. What do people call it? Like, this is like the stocking method or something. Yeah, that's what people call it. Different people call it different things. So then after it dries, I'll be cutting off the excess that I don't need. You most definitely need your hand dryer to dry it up. Just to make sure it's secure, then you cut off the excess that you don't need. So now I'll be sizing up the wig to know exactly where I want it to be. You need to like place the wig on and know exactly where you want it to be, so you don't like put like glue down the wig and then you don't, it's either it is too forward or it's too backward. So you need to like kind of eyeball it and see where you want it to be before gluing it down, so you don't just make mistakes. So after measuring it and placing it down, you need to cut off the excess lace. Then I'm applying her foundation shade, or I think I used her powder shade on the lace, on the wig cap, so everything blends in together. I really love this brush that I'm using to apply it. It came in a set. I've got them from Amazon. It's really a great deal if you're looking for something cheap and, will I say cheap? Yeah, something not too pricey but good too. So that was what I did. I used that brush is, I have the link in my description box. If you're interested in it, you can click on the description box below and get yours. So now I'm doing the same thing. I'm cleaning off so I don't have any oil that will stop my glue from actually working properly. So I would have like applied the glue all around, but I decided to do it gently, step by step, so I don't like apply the glue all around and then it doesn't do the job. If you understand what I mean, I just do it gently and then like line by line you do it. So when you glue this part down, you go ahead to do the next part and then glue it down. That way your glue wouldn't just dry off and not do the job. So that was why I did it side by side. And then after you've done everything, you go over it with your hand dryer and then blow dry everything, so you make sure it's secure and safe. Now I'm going in with this other spray glue just to be safe. I mean, just to secure it tightly and be safe. And by the way, guys, this hair is from Luxury Cover Hair. I always tell you guys I get hair from her. Her hairs are just really beautiful and nice, so I always get hair from her. This hair is from Luxury Cover Hair. They are on Instagram at Luxury Cover Hair. What else? Yeah, they're on Facebook too at Luxury Cover Hair. You can also go to their website and choose whatever style you want and, you know, purchase it. They have really good, they give really good discounts and they have really good deals, so you just go ahead and purchase yours, and it's not pricey at all. They I think, for me, I think their price ranges are like really good. Is something you can, is like affordable. It's not like on the high side where you have to break a bank just to own a hair, you know. Yeah, checking it, pulling it, checking it. So I'm just pulling it and checking to see if everything is secure, if it's not going to come off, if it's not, just checking it to make sure that everything is good. Then I'm putting my Nairobi foam, it's like a mousse, yeah, foaming wrap. They call it the foaming wrap. That's a Nairobi foaming wrap. So okay, now this is where it comes in. I suck at doing this baby hair thing. I don't know how to do baby hair, but I'll try. I really suck at doing baby hair. I don't know how to do baby hair, but I'm just trying to do something. So now I'm bringing out what I would use as my baby hair, and then trimming it down to make the baby hair that I don't know how to make, or to do the baby hair that I don't know how to do. But I'm learning. Did you see how that hair is bouncing? Like, I purposely put that on slow motion so you see how that hair bounces. Their hairs are just the best. Oh, look at that closure. Look at that wig. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So guys, I think this is it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up, don't forget that. So guys, subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment below which other video you guys would like to see, and I'll definitely get back to you guys. Just tell me what video you would like to see, and I'll definitely get back to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you all. So thank you guys. Remember to, if you like the hair, remember to go to Luxury Cover Hair and purchase yours. And then if you, what else? Yeah, if you need anything that I use in the video, I think like the hair brush, the foundation brush, I have the link in the description box below, so you can go there and get yours. And I also have other things in the description box. Just look through it and see if you're interested in any of them. Go there and get anything you want. I actually get most of my stuff off Amazon. Look at that hair, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Okay.